YouTube, back with another Galaxy S25 Ultra video. I know I've been on the run lately, but things just keep on happening. So what has happened now? Hands-on video and photo leaks of the S25 Ultra and its full-on glory just days before Samsung Unpacked. I mean, this happens like what, every year? Anyways, at the end of the day, this confirms a lot of the design leaks and changes. And in my video before, I did a roll call to all my Galaxy Note users, all of my S Pen users, because there are a lot of rumor changes around the S Pen, and you guys spoke up. You guys really shared your honest opinions. This is one of the beautiful things that I love about the Samsung community and the Galaxy Note community, because you guys are a community. I always have respect for y'all. Yeah, I throw jabs at the disrespectful ones because not everybody in the community is positive. So, you know, people always wonder when I'm talking who I'm talking to. I'm not talking to the legit, cool, respectful Galaxy community. I'm talking to the you-know-whos. But anyways, Samsung Knights that know how to handle their swords and keep them, you know, holstered. The ones who just be swinging them all willy-nilly, I got to trip you and let you fall. Back to the topic at hand, the S Pen. Well, the S Pen is live on Amazon right now. You guys can click on it and take a look at it. Now, when I was looking at it up close, you know, it was just saying that this S Pen is S25 Ultra only and blah, blah, blah. So if that is officially removed, you guys have voiced your opinions. A lot of long-term Galaxy users, a lot of S Pen users have spoken, and the people who are not S Pen users have spoken. So respect to all of you guys. I appreciate you guys sharing your honest thoughts, because that's the only way that Samsung can know how the community actually feels about these upcoming changes. Now, beyond the S25 Ultra, we got this new S25 Slim. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of got my eye, but I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm not throwing the whole bank at Samsung this year. I'm trying to keep it calm, cool, and collected with the S25 Ultra. I'm trying. But I do have a lot of curiosity around the S25 Slim. But again, I'm pretty sure that phone is gonna be like just a regular S device. And me personally, I stick to the S Ultra lineup because it's the closest thing to the Galaxy Note, which was stripped from my hands. And speaking of the Note, all my real Galaxy Note users, if you don't know, I started this channel consistently on Galaxy Note content and developed and grew from there and all that stuff. Don't get it twisted. But listen, as a Note user, once a Note user, always a Note user, the Galaxy Note was the creme de la creme, the entire kitchen sink thrown into a smartphone. Now, when Samsung decided to end the Galaxy Note line and, you know, I guess somewhat convert this Note-like phone in the S Ultra, you know, naming, what I think they did was remove their obligation to create the top of the line spec, the top of the line feature pack device that they've always given to the Galaxy Note user. That's why the S Ultra device has slowly stripped feature after feature after feature, only to give us more AI features, which was another thing that I asked you guys about. Are you guys really using your AI features? And you guys hit the comment section down below and you guys definitely told me your thoughts. Anyways, it's days away for Samsung Galaxy Unpacked. You guys need to let me know. Do you guys want me to do a live stream during Unpacked, which is typically what I do? I just hang around because let's be honest, Unpacked could be a little snooze fest kind of to a degree. You know what I mean? Obviously, we kind of watching, but we also talking about, you know, and we kicking it and we doing it live. Let me know. Or do you guys just want me to like lock in and watch, you know, the fest and just do a reactionary type video or whatever? Either way, there's also a link down in the description below, which is going to help you guys pre-save your spot before the announcement, before pre-orders go live, and it gives you an extra $50 Samsung credit. So if you want that, hit the link down in the description below. My name is CJ. I know tech, so you don't have to, but I know you Samsung Galaxy Knights and Samsung and mobile device users just know everything.
I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, this is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm the. Look in the mirror like, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like, go get it.